Hi everyone, WYGO Warrior here, and please stick around to the end. I have some details on a giveaway. Hi everyone, WYGO Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but I love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. I have some good news. I am super close to hitting 100 subscribers. I know, right? Thank you to all of you who are currently subscribed and support and watch my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. So, good news. I have my first ever giveaway. Yes, to all those who are subscribed, like, comment on my videos, I am giving back to you. Now, granted, I'm sure you've all seen some of these items, but hey, it is free products for you. So let me just dig into what is going to be in this fantastic giveaway. We have some name brand items here. The first is a Tartist mascara. We have a NARS Power Mate Lip Pigment. We have Everyday Vacay by Ciate London. We have some false eyelashes by Baddington. We have a high beam highlighter from Benefit. For those girls who do your nails, we have an Orly breathable nail polish. We have a Tree Hut Sugar lip scrub. And last but not least are some makeup brushes by a brand called La Rouche. So if you're interested in the giveaway, there are some very simple criteria. First of all, you must be subscribed. Second of all, you need to comment down below. And lastly, you need to give a thumbs up to the video. There is a bonus for each and every one of you who refers a friend or gets someone to subscribe to my channel. You will get not one but 2 extra entries. I'm looking to get to 100 and beyond subscribers. I've been stuck at 94 for 2 weeks now. Come on, I know you guys enjoy my stupidity, doing things wrong, my personality, right? I may not be the best at putting on makeup, but I sure love doing it. So how about you become a WYGO Warrior, subscribe, watch more videos, and don't forget to leave a comment. I will respond to your comment. It can be, hey, stop posting videos, you suck. Okay, I'll get it. What would be lovely would be some constructive criticisms or just comments on the video itself. So I am super excited and cannot wait to ship off all of these goodies to the winning subscriber. Oh, I also forgot. You will get this eyeshadow palette, which is the Be Bella Cosmetics Champagne Kisses 1. I know you like putting on makeup as much as I do, or you would not be watching this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment so you too can participate in this giveaway. Thanks everyone. Catch you next time.